Hi, this is Larry's computer class. Today we're going to talk about JavaScript and cookies. JavaScript is programs that people use as part of websites. It's an active programs that have things happen when you open and close things. Sometimes hackers can use JavaScript to write programs to get information from your computer. What they do is they'll write a program. When you open your browsers, that program will enter your computer, and what it does is it looks for private information, passwords, credit card numbers, things like that that you don't want people to have. And what these programs do is they'll gather all this information and send it back to the hacker, so he has your information, your passwords and stuff like that. Good virus protection, McAfee, stuff like that. Any of them, they'll work pretty good on blocking them from getting onto your computer. But you can turn these on and off. Simply go to the browser. Your cookies are a program also that is sent to you from web pages, and it's stored on your computer. What they do, they're pretty harmless. Once in a while you might run into a problem with a specific cookie, but what cookies do is it's a program that goes on your computer that monitors things you like to go to. You go to Amazon.com or something like that. If you go shopping for shoes on the internet or clothes or books or anything like that, it remembers that. And what it does is when there's commercials on a web page, when you go to Amazon.com or something, it'll remember what you search, and it'll put commercials up that pertain to things you're interested in. It's okay. It kind of gives you a little more personal commercials, things you like, instead of seeing, if you like searching for shoes and clothes, you won't get commercials that pop up about boats and fishing and stuff like that that you're not interested in. So cookies kind of have a good side to them, and I'll show you how to turn both of these on and off. Simply go to Tools, Options. In your Content tab, you have here Enable JavaScript. You can turn this on and off. If you turn it off, then certain things on certain web pages may not work properly, so you can try turning it off. Go to the web pages you like to go to and see how they work. If everything works okay, then you're fine. You can leave it disabled. If there's a certain area on a web page you go to that's not working anymore, then you'll simply have to just come back here and enable JavaScript. Advanced, just resize, lower, disable. Not too much in there you can do. Let's see, privacy. For your cookies, go to remember history, use custom settings, and here's your block for your cookies. Uncheck it, it disables cookies. Some web pages, if you have cookies disabled, they won't allow you to go to the web page, or you'll be limited on what you can do on the web page. So see how it works. Same thing as Java, you can turn it off. Go to the web pages, see how things work. If you have a problem, then just come back here and turn the cookies back on. They expire, sometimes a month, sometimes 2 months, a year, 5 years, whatever they're set to from the company or the web page. That's up to them to decide how long they stay on your computer for. And you have choices: keep until they expire, keep until I close Firefox, which means when you close Firefox, all your cookies will be deleted automatically. And then you have an Ask Me button. They can ask you every time there's a cookie on your computer how long you want to keep it for. Then you can go to exceptions. If there's a web page you go to, you don't want them keeping track of things you search, you can simply go to www.amazon.com, click on block, and there you go. Amazon is blocked. They won't be allowed to send you cookies anymore. See how it works. If you find you go to Amazon and you can't get the things you want, just simply come back here, click remove site, and you're all set. And that's it for Firefox. I'll show you Internet Explorer also. All the browsers are pretty much the same on how you turn these on and off. If you're working on a browser that I don't talk about and you can't find these settings, drop me an email or go on the forum. Let me know what browser you're using and I'll find these settings for you. Okay, Internet Explorer, same thing. Go to Tools, Internet Options. You can go to Privacy, Advanced, and here's your cookies. Override automatic cookie handling. As you can see, the accept is checked, and accept is checked on third parties. You can change that. Click on this box. You can block them, whatever you want. You can prompt so that you get a little window that tells you they're trying to put a cookie on your computer, and they'll ask you if you want it or not. You can simply click yes or no. I'm just going to put these back on accept and override that, uncheck that, so cookies are accepted. And same thing as Firefox, you can uncheck these cookies, try your web page, see how they work. Security, come to custom levels, and this is for your JavaScript. You get a window that pops up with a whole listing of options. You can actually scroll pretty much to the bottom and then come back up. It's just about at the bottom, and you're going to look for right here where it says scripting, active scripting, enable. This is for your JavaScript, the programs that hackers and bad people use to try and get information from your computer. You can have it enabled, you can have it disabled. Same thing, disable it, click OK, see how your web pages work. If everything works okay, leave it disabled. If you go to a web page and there's certain things that aren't coming up, just come back here, simply click enable, click OK. Are you sure? Yes. Click OK. And that's pretty much it for Internet Explorer. They're all pretty simple, so if you have any questions, or like I said, you have different browsers you're using, drop me an email or hop on the forum and leave me a question. Thank you.